Hello students, class 8. Today I am taking computer subject, and today I am discussing our book question bank. Okay, this is our objective type questions with answers. Okay, only for your revision purpose. So first question is, which means to be able to convey thoughts and idea and everything else that needs to be expressed by conveyed. So correct answer we can say communication. Okay. Next question is, each computer has its own keyboard, mouse, scanner and printer. So also called we can say peripherals. Okay. Next question is, which computer that receive and use data from servers? So we can say client computers only receive and use data from server. Next question is, connect the computer to the special device called switch, which in turn links to all of the computer on the network together. So we can use network interface card. Okay, it is a special device. We can say called switch. Okay. Next is switch. Okay, which is used to connect multiple devices such as computer, printers and scanner. Different thing we can connect. Okay, and needs to be connected to each other. So we can use switch. Okay, switch is used to connect multiple different devices, computer, printers. Okay. Next is, a modem is a hardware device which means modulation and demodulation, means analog signal convert into digital signal and digital signal convert into analog signal. When you have used internet on telephone lines, so you must use modem. A router is used to tie or join multiple networks together. A router is used to tie multiple networks. Here multiple networks we can connect with the help of router. Again, a router will act as a courier, choosing that the best route for our communication to travel so that receive it quickly. So we can say router, okay, as a courier, means it will select the best route. Okay, our data will deliver in a short amount of time. Next question is, which cable consists of a central copper wire surrounded by an outer jacket? So we can use coaxial cable. Okay, dish TV we can use coaxial cable. Next question is, which cable use glass, thread, fiber to transmit data, and each is capable of transmitting message in the form of light waves? So we can use optical fiber cable. In this cable, data will travel in the light form. Which is a wireless technology which use radio frequency to transmit information over a short distance? So we can use Bluetooth. Next question is, radio waves are electromagnetic signals that are transmitted by an antenna. Radio waves are the electromagnetic signals. Next question is, which type of communication is widely used all over the world, allowing user to transmit a signal to any part of the earth's surface? So we can use satellite. Okay, satellite on the earth's surface we can transmit our data. Which is the successor technology of 3G and it is also referred as a magic? So we can say 4G is the successor technology of 3G and we can say magic. Next question is, what is the most popular wireless communication technology used within a room or a building for connecting to the internet? So we know very well Wi-Fi, wireless fidelity. Okay, this is the most popular wireless communication technology within a room or building we can connect it to internet. LAN stands for, we can say, local area network. MAN stands for metropolitan area network. WAN stands for, we can say, wide area network. Next question is, internet and ATM facility are example of WANs. WANs means wide area network. ISP stands for internet service provider, internet service provider. Next question is, what is generally the slowest type of internet connection? We can say dial-up connection. In this dial-up connection we use telephone lines and we can use modem. Which type of service use a broadband connection with make it much faster as dial-up? We can use DSL, digital subscriber line. Next question is, what is a collection of text, image, sounds and video on internet? So we can say website we mostly use. So in website you can see text, image, sound and video. Which type of page show the same content each time they are viewed? So there is no changes. So we can say static web page. Which page have content that can change each time that have access? So we can say dynamic web page. Okay, so content will always change. Every time you can say this is a new website, so we can say dynamic web page. Content always change and static content will not change. Fixed content. So we can static web page, content always change, we can say dynamic web page. HTML stands for, so we can say hypertext markup language. What is the first page on every website which give us basic detail about the information the website contains? We can say home page. Okay, home page is our first web page. What is the word processing program that is used to type and edit an HTML program? We can use text editor, notepad we can use to type our HTML program. A web browser is a software which is used to view website. Web browser means Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer, Opera Mini, UC browser. It is used to display our websites. Next question is, the first web browser World Wide Web was developed by 1990 by, we can say, so first website was developed by Tim Berners-Lee. Okay, he developed HTML language and then we can visit any website. What is the collection of instructions that perform a specific task? So we simply can say this is a program. In container tag, end tag always preceded by forward slash. Okay, opening tag and closing tag. So we can say container tag. In empty tag, do not contain text or any other tag. Okay, so empty tag, only opening tag, closing tag is not compulsory. HTML tag represent the root of an HTML document. So in every HTML document, HTML always use, it is starting. Body tag define the document body. Next question is, attributes always appear inside the opening tag and their values inside quotation marks. Okay, so in body tag we use bg color. So bg color is our attribute, so always appear inside the opening tag. How many types of heading labels in HTML language? So we can say 6 type of, okay, H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. So 6 type of heading. Which tag breaks the line and display the remaining text from the next line without leaving any? So we can use BR tag. Okay, BR means break line. This is also an empty tag. Okay. Which tag is used to draw a horizontal line between the block of text? So we can use HR. HR means horizontal rule. HR means horizontal rule. Which tag include the text that is written for purpose documentation in program code? So we can use comment. Comment is written for purpose documented in the program code. Which tag is used to define the color, size and style of text in web document? So we can use font tag is used to. Which tag is used to align the enclosed text to the center of the web page? So we can use center tag. Okay. Unordered list is a collection of related items that have no special order. We can use bullet, square, circle, okay, to make a bulleted list. And order list is a collection of related items that are numbered. Okay. Which tag allow us to arrange data in row and column? So we can use table data. Table tag we can use. Which represent the distance between cell borders and the content within a cell, so we can say cell padding represent the distance between cell borders and content within a cell. A hyperlink is an unordered word. Okay, what is a hyperlink? Is an underlined word or phrase, or sometime even a graphic image or icon which has been linked to another location. A website is a collection of interrelated web page. A web page is a document that can contain text, graphics, sound or video that can be viewed in a web browser. Web browser are application software used to view web pages. Next, every website name is defined according to a naming system called, we can say, domain name system. Okay. Next, the address of every web page is called its URL. URL means Uniform Resource Locator. The address of every web page is called its URL. HTTP is one of the protocol of internet and appears at the every beginning of the web address. So HTTP is one of the protocol of internet that appears at the very beginning of the web address. Which protocol is generally used to transfer a file from one computer to another and is commonly used for uploading and downloading files from the web. So we can use FTP protocol. Transferring of file from server to client computer is called, we can say, downloading. Transfer of file from client computer to the web hosting server, from client computer to the web hosting server is called uploading. Which protocol checks whether the data has reached the destination or not and handles movement of the information between two computers in network? So we can use TCP/IP, Transmission Control Protocol, and Internet Protocol. Okay, so this protocol is very important. It always was responsible for. So protocol means a set of rules and regulation which governs between two machines. Now next thing is, which is unauthorized access to someone's computer for stealing data. So we can say hacking. Hacking is unauthorized access to someone's computer for stealing data. Which address is unique for every computer connected to internet and a set of number of divided by dots. So we can say IP address is unique for every computer. Okay. Step by step method for solving any problem is called an, so we can say, algorithm. Which is a picture graphical representation of the problem solving process. We can use flowchart. Assembler convert an assembly language program into machine code which is directly understood by computer. Which takes entire program as input and remove error and execute whole program. Compiler takes entire program as input and remove all errors. Which takes single instruction as input, remove error line by line and execute. So interpreter. Okay, so single instruction and remove error line by line. Cyberbullying is when a child is tortured, threatened, harassed, humiliated, embarrassed or otherwise targeted by another child using the internet, interactive and digital technology or mobile phones. Cybercrime is a crime that involves a computer and a network. A hacker is someone who focuses on security mechanism of computer network system and seeks access to the computer system despite the security measures. Firewall acts as a gatekeeper between computer and the internet. For creating a hyperlink in web page, we use in A tag. A tag means anchor tag. In angle bracket we can use A tag. In unvisited link is, we can say, it always display in underlined and blue color. So these are the revision questions, 70 revision question of your computer subject. Okay, it covers all the chapters, all the revised syllabus questions with answers. Okay students, thank you so much.